Guys, I'm so excited. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to behave. My kaya, my load, my foodstuff had just arrived. My mom-in-law, my sisters-in-law that sent it in. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Like the love I get, the food items that I ordered have landed. Imagine ordering food items all the way from Nigeria. You guys, when you punch your calculator, you know that money is going out. Okay, like I'm so excited because I'm looking forward to my stockfish, my crayfish. I made banga stew. Yeah, that video should have been off by now. I made banga stew. Is this stew or soup? Yeah. I did not put stockfish. I did not put a fish. I only had ice fish and meat. I should have waited, but I was craving for banga. I just like, you know what, let me do it with what I have. I mean, you can't eat your cake and have it back, right? Actually, you can eat your cake and have it back. So I'm so happy. Happy. So happy. I'm happy. I am happy. Wait, guys, let me drag the load inside my kitchen. We'll unbox it together. We'll see what is inside, okay? I'm curious just as you are curious, okay?
What's this on?
It's that. Keep that one. Remove your hand. Oh, I guess this one. Oh, dear me. Come out, pass like our buffet actually say. That buffet actually say. It's Daniel that wants to lick pepper. He carries melon seed and put inside his mouth. Sitting down on the floor of my kitchen. Don't know how to get a better positioning for this video. This will be better. Guys. The first thing in here is this melon. The bag busted open. I have tiger nuts. I'm going to soak this one this night. I have ukwa, granules. Hope you guys can see me. Granules. They say meat masala. Maybe for seasoning meat or thereabouts. This is pepper. Dry pepper. Some of it busted inside. Guys, be dropping thank you in the comment section for my sister-in-law. My mom-in-law. They are absolutely the best. Okay, so these are my crayfish, this bag and this bag. I still have like one bag extra crayfish at home, so I have this crayfish and this crayfish, and this one is blended crayfish. Okay, like you guys. Oh, there's pepper. I need to play it. This one is blended crayfish. Just dropping them on the floor. I'll sort it out later. Okay. Oh, this is the pepper that is pouring. Oh dear. I guess the bags are too full, or the Ziploc bag is small. Oh, going to figure it out later. So this is another pepper. We'll sort it out. This one is granules, like fresh granules, the one they've not fried. Okay. Hey, what is it? Okay, this is castor oil. Hair cream, you guys, okay? So this pepper now being okay. This is another dry pepper. This dry pepper, the other one I showed you guys is pepper flakes, like the sprinkle. Okay, this pepper and this thing that put inside it. I have another granules. Okay, then I have dry fish. This is dry fish. Oh my, these fish, they are so big. Oh, dry fish. Okay. This is stockfish. This is dry meat. This one here, dry meat. Another, I'm going to bring them out later from the bag to preserve them well. So I have 1, 2, and 3 dry fish. Soup is about to be late. I do not have single, not even chicory dry fish and stockfish in this house. So this one, okay, 1, 2, 3 boxes of stockfish as well, and that is it for all the things that are inside this carton. This carton has lots and lots of melon inside, melon and pepper. So I'm going to chip that aside and open the other bag, another carton rather. You guys, the highlight of this thing all is the dry fish and the stockfish and the meat for me, okay? Like, if you know, you know. Woo! See our okpa flour. Are you kidding me? I use dry periwinkle. Another dry periwinkle. This is ogbono. Okpa flour. Dry meat, another meat, guys. And I have dry meat, and I have 2 boxes of dry meat though. Oh, this one is my chin. Oh, there's this pepper busted here too. Dry pepper busted here as well. What's this? Jollof spice. You guys, this is jollof spice. Another, okay, this one is pepper soup spice. The other one is jollof spice. This one is lots and lots of assorted things that are inside this bag. I have beans flour. Guys, we are going to do moi moi. I'm going to do moi moi. This is curry powder. You know that if it's not Nigerian curry powder, it can never be the same. Okay, it cannot be the same. I love me my Nigerian curry powder. So amazing. Ooh. This is palm kernel fruit. The seed inside. You said that you cry. No matter. This palm aki. I don't know how to explain it. I'll probably write it there for non-Igbo speaking people. Oh, this is another beans flour. Okay. Oh, another beans flour. And another beans flour. What are we not saying? Moi moi is about to be lit. And akara. Oh, this is the last bag of fish. The fish bag, there are 4. Ooh, so nice so far. And this one, they are clothes. So it's clothes. That's it, guys. Like, you guys, this vlog is long overdue, and I'm here to end the vlog that I started. Okay, was it a vlog? Yeah, I don't know. It's not a vlog. Yeah, it's not a vlog. It's an unboxing video that I did. I'm trying to edit vlog. That's why I'm calling it vlog. Okay, I'm trying to end this video that I started me telling you guys about all the things that we brought from Nigeria. Okay, my sister-in-law sent it for us, and also to use this medium to appreciate her. Okay, like, thank you so much. I know you watched my video. Thank you so much for all the beautiful things that you are doing in my life, like with this my Thank you. I appreciate. Okay, You guys tell me and thank her in the comment section for me, because I mean, you guys saw all the goodies that I unboxed, okay? All the previous clip that you guys watch is not easy, considering the price of things that is going skyrocketing every day in Nigeria. And she was still able to put through, like always coming through for me, okay? I am grateful and I'm liking it, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I don't know what to say, but to say thank you, okay? Thank you so much for sticking around with me, and thank you to my sisters-in-law, like my mom-in-law. She gifted me as well. Like everybody was just bringing their own contribution. My sisters-in-law are the best. In fact, my in-laws are the best, okay? I mean, argue with your keyboard, okay? You can't tell me otherwise. And also, if God bless you with a good in-law or good mom-in-law, you don't know like what other people are passing through, okay? So lift your shoulder high, like, and thank your God when you're thanking your stars, okay? So that's just it on this video. I love and appreciate you have. And also love and appreciate you guys for always taking out your time to come and watch my video, okay? So see you guys in my next video. I love and appreciate you guys, okay? Bye guys.